Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch at Three Rivers Archery. Today we're talking about waterproofing. And what we're going to be waterproofing is my side quiver that I've used for many years. It's been very good for me. I've used it on many hunts in many conditions, but with use, I want to reapply the waterproofing that it has to it. I'm going to be using a spray waterproofing. We have two different flavors here. We have an instant waterproofing, which as soon as this dries on the quiver, it's good to go. And then we have a more durable waterproofing. This is for items like gear you're going to be wearing, waders, things that are going to get a lot of use. It leaves a thicker coating. The biggest difference with that is that this is going to take longer to dry, where this is, as soon as it dries on the quiver, it's going to be good to go. And what we're going to do, and what I like with a spray one, especially on fabrics like this, is any of the crevices, any of the cracks, especially the stitched areas, this is going to get into those a little bit easier. So it's going to give you a really good coating. And what we're going to do is safety first, put on our mask. You want to do this in a well-ventilated area, have a mask on, make sure that you're not sitting in it. It's not good to be breathing any stuff that comes out of a cannon like this. But it's real easy to work with, and like I said, as soon as it's dry, it's ready to go. So we have our fletching cover here, but what we're going to show here is the pocket first. Now the biggest thing to note with waterproofing on anything is when you're spraying one of these fabrics, since it's blending into the material, it may change the color of it. Normally what you see is a little bit more of a darkening. So what we do here is just spray. Like I said, nice thing with it being a spray is with the crevices of this, I don't have to worry about that I'm missing something because it's going to hit it. We're just going to spray the pocket area here, just so you get a good idea of how it works. And then you just hang it to dry. Then we have our fletching cover. And then what you want to do is you'll just want to hang this up so that it can air dry, get some ventilation to it. With the more durable stuff, that you can put in the dryer to get it to dry faster and activate sooner. Otherwise it takes 48 hours of just setting out and air drying to get to its full coat. Where with this instant stuff, thinner coat, but I'm able to use it a lot sooner. So that's what you want to use for items like this. You know, the pocket's not going to get a lot of wear and tear on it. Where maybe the back of my quiver, which is going to be rubbing against my side, might need the more durable coat. And that's how it's done. If you have any questions about how to waterproof any of your gear, please leave it in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you think your friends or family would enjoy it, please use that share button so that others can see what we're doing here. I'm Johnny with Three Rivers Archery. Thanks for watching.